Okay, so for friendships now.
Choosing the right friends and knowing the real ones from the fake ones. For me, I feel like you will feel it and you will know within your guts. So, like once you start to have thoughts about any little shakiness or something, then once you have to start wondering about them, you know, say, okay, probably this isn't a real one. So sometimes you just know, and sometimes them not even have to do nothing
And
for
it
you
just
to
not
say,
mesh.
yeah, you just don't.
And then it goes back to self-worth, self-acceptance, self-awareness, self-love, self-confidence. If you're aware of who you are as a person, if you love yourself for who you are, then you will know who you are in a friendship. So basically, you're not going to feel like you need a person to feel like you're somebody, or you're not going to feel like, oh, I need to have Dana so that when I come here, she can tell me say it look nice all the time. And if Dana not tell me not believe say it look nice. Like that can cause falling out in friendship if one person lack confidence and then depend on the other person to build their confidence. You have to build your own confidence. You have to love yourself. You have to be aware of who you are.
Another thing for me to know that the person is really a real friend if you always have to run down the person. If you always have to text them, if you know, you always have to reach out to them, you always have to be texting them. It feel one-sided. Once you start feeling one-sided, then you know, say, okay, maybe this person
doesn't really want to be my friend, or them have them other friend, or them occupied with more not really important things, but something that they see more important than your friendship with them.
Not saying that your friend's supposed to be like texting you 24/7, always calling you, always talking to you. I'm not saying that, and always need to be talking, you need to text every night, and that's not the case.
If
but
a person like constantly brings you down, like everything you do, them have something negative to say about it, or them always trying to compare themselves to you. Oh, I look better in this, or oh, no, that don't look good on you, but it look better on me, or some stuff like that. You gotta go.
Negative. I believe in energy, in people having energy and giving off a certain vibe and a certain energy. Some people, I can just tell that they have a negative vibe, a negative spirit, and I just cannot deal with that. And you're just going to feel it. Energy is something that you can't really explain.
True.
Sorry, but you just feel it within yourself. And I've felt that with certain people before, and it don't work out.
Or them can only tell you when something is bad, but them can't tell. Them can only come to you and say, you know, some ear say so and so say this boy when it bad, but them can never come tell you nothing good. Or them always say, she hate you, or she not like you. So them want make him hate you, say, no. Or mother say, no, they not, him not like him, hate you like poison. That's so negative, and them can never yet tell you nothing good.
If you know yourself and you know the type of person that you are, and you cannot be your true self around the person or your group or whatever, then you know that, okay, this probably isn't the crowd for me, it's not going to work out. If
you have to hide some parts so you don't feel comfortable saying this or doing this or wearing this or something.
Sometimes in friend groups you have people with different interests. Not that you're going to always be interested in the same things. That's not the case, because life don't work like that. You don't always have the same interests as people.
Conflicting interests. If something goes on.
For me, religious beliefs is a big thing for me. Sometimes. You don't have to be the most religious person, but if you're an atheist and you don't believe in God, then...
Yes, things like that.
If it's that far off, then the friendship probably not going to work out. Like your morals, that's what I mean to say. Things like that. If people, they don't stand for what you stand for, they're very grimy and they behave certain way. It's not worth it.
Or
You don't need to be friends with people like that.
Yeah, and every time they have a conversation, you realize they have nothing to add to the conversation. Then, not that they can't have the conversation, you just don't want to be a part of it. Them can find somebody else to talk about them things with, just not you.
Another thing, if you're embarrassed or you...
Afraid to carry them home to your parents, like you don't want to say, oh, mommy, they're not going to sleep over tonight, and then your mother say... Then you know say, hey, if your mother not like the person, then chances are
he's not a good person.
Chances are, okay.
9 out of 10 times.
Your mother sense it before you sense it.
True, you won't see it, you won't know, but if you have separate friends and them don't like each other, then one of them.
Yeah.
Something wrong with somebody.
Yes, let me tell you. If you have that one friend and nobody can get along with that friend, like nobody at all, everywhere you carry the friend go, everybody's like, why are you friends with him? Why are you friends with her? Don't bring her back, come. No, actually, no, you need to stop being friends with him. You need to stop being friends with her. Then, and the people who say those stuff are like people who are close to you, like your parents or your close friends from even before that person. So you know, say that person, they're probably toxic and them just do, they're not going to give you good vibes only.
Anything else?
But up here, fake friend we talk about, we're not talking about real friends.
Real friends
are the opposite of fake friends.
You'll know. You'll definitely know. Things aren't going to always be good with you and your real friends, but
it's supposed to be good majority of the time.
Yeah. True. If you fall out like every other conversation and every other time when they see each other, there's some conflict.
And probably for just start like 3 times a year and keep it like very distant. And then you have some friends who you don't talk to for months and then when they meet up, it's like nothing changes.
Those are some real friends. Low maintenance friends. Those are my favorites.
Yeah, the one that who send short texts.
What?
You know, like read long message. Now you talk, but you know, like when people send a long message.
With good friends, yeah, you just know, and
they just always a laugh and a go on, laugh and go on.
And the cliche things, no, they're always there for you in your good times
and in your bad times when you need them the most, when you need a shoulder to cry on. And Dana here is considered pretty here, and if me constantly a badmouth Dana here, I'm pretty sure she would be tired of me and she wouldn't want to be around me. We just need to accept it.
Toxic.
2 away have different hair and 2 away just different. Like we have different body types. Me can put on her shoes the way my Uncle Margaret dropped down on my foot, and fair foot, she have more ankle than me or whatever, and the shoes look better on fair foot. I say, yes girl, go girl, the shoes look good on your foot, but it don't look good on my foot, and that's that. I'm not gonna say, oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm not gonna be like, oh, Ashley, you look better on me. You don't look good on you.
Your foot too, Margaret, Ashley, look better on my foot. Yeah, that naga, them something that is a no.
If one can sit in silence, basically, and
just enjoy whatever. Force a conversation. Yeah. You just feel it, as Dana said, the energy, the vibes, the positivity.
Yeah. Alright, we're so cute.
Yeah, when them say things like we're so cute instead of my cutie. Excuse me, Ashley. Remember see myself, my cutie. Yeah. Them things you just gotta go.
And yeah.
Love you guys. Oh, nothing else. Love you guys. Bye. But I gotta do a fingernail.
I'm going to do my toes.
I'm not so nobody can touch my foot. Because I gotta kick them over, my foot ticklish. Bye, guys.
Yeah.